quick. Oh, shit. That is hilarious.
Oh, they kiss.
He cry.
He's growling. He just did his...
He's snipping them all out.
B, stop being gay. He's probably looking to pull out shit out of his ass or something.
He's fixing to do his little jump. That's just too funny. Oops. Oh, Dad.
Beast.
He's annoying, Tyson.
Oh!
Oh, Dad.
He's licking his eyeball.
He's annoying.
Oh.
Okay, Stubby's so quiet.
You guys are funny. Do your jump, Beast.
Oh, Dad. His teeth are
His Stubby's going, he's fine.
Oh no, don't lick each other's dongs, that's it. Beast, do your little hop, please. Oh, no, don't do that. That's sick. That's so sick. Can you do your hop, Beast? This is a boring video if you're not going to hop.
Beast is getting irritated because Beast wants him to get up and play.
Beast just wants to hump him.
No, Beast wants him to get up.
Does Tyson... Oh, there he goes.
Oh, shit. He didn't like
Did
it.
you get it?
Yeah, I did, but he's going to bite Beast.
Hello.
No, Dad.
No.
Beast, no. Leave him alone.
He ain't gonna bite him.
Yes, did you not just see his teeth? Beast, stop.
Yeah, his teeth are shiny.
I don't want my dog to be headless.
It's all show, he doesn't bite.